Go!
Get it? I'm done?
Yes.
So I'm going down, carry all these groceries with me, okay, just one. But we're having like an international food night today, and then Ian and I were going to cook curry chicken. Never ever cooked curry chicken in my life before, but I hope it'll be good. I'm here at Ian's kitchen. Each of us were supposed to bring like a dish from our hometown.
Roots.
And we have never tried cooking. Have you tried it?
Curry chicken?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, we have never tried cooking curry chicken before. So I hope that it'll turn out okay. So we have like chicken here, like tomatoes, onion, what's this? Garlic. Okay, garlic, potatoes, salt and pepper, and our curry powder, seafood. What's this? A seafood soy sauce for marinating. Let's go, guys! Let's take a look at the current situation right now. Still cutting. We've got like garlic. We've got our tomatoes and onions. I forgot the name for a minute. I don't know, just add. Or should I just add this first? Oh, the smell is so strong. I smell it.
Yeah.
Okay, let me try adding this. Why not soy sauce first? This one smells good. Oh, like how much? How much should I add? Oh no.
I think it's fine.
I think it's fine?
Yeah.
I don't want to add so much because
It is too salty.
okay, I think that's enough. I wonder how spicy it will be.
To be honest, I have no idea. We shall find out later.
Oh my god.
Singaporean Indian. Say Asian food, right?
Like Singaporean, yeah.
Say like, yeah, Malaysian Indian Singaporean.
Welcome to Grace's cooking lessons, people. I'm not sure if it's the right way at all. Do you think we should add a whole packet or like it will be too much?
I think don't add the whole packet because if you want to make curry, then you have to have some curry powder left for the paste, right? It's the curry paste.
I don't even think this is curry powder, this is whatever it's called. I'm just gonna mix it. I can't believe I'm doing this with my nail polish, like what?
That's the only way to do it.
Shit, I won't find.
Oh, there's no space.
Oh no.
I guess to the
Maybe here?
No, I can put it.
No, you can put it on top.
That's why I failed in life.
Cooking situation, just so messy. I'll put more.
Not too much.
More.
Yes.
See if it's cooking. I mean, we can always add more water, yeah. Hi! Oh my god, guys, this curry chicken looks like miso soup.
Actually, I have no idea what this
What is this? Failed attempt. This is too horrible. I'm gonna chuck it out because it's not tasting the way I want it to. It's like a herbal, that like those medicine you eat when you're sick. Ew. But damn, it looks like a cake. Oh, let me just.
This one the
What?
you have to smell.
I can't smell anything.
I can, but
That's what I mean, like, yeah, a loaf.
Oh yeah, it looks like curry now. Oh, it's here, it's here. Look, there's a graduation ceremony going on. Da-da-da-da. Oh, look. We are walking to the arts hub to hand in our dish because we are in culinary school.
Gordon Ramsay will be proud.
Your mom and sister will be proud.
They'll be like, oh my god, Ian, you finally cook curry. I was like, okay. It's good.
Yeah, it's good. It's not bad. Proud of myself. Proud of you, Ian.
Thank you, I'm proud of you too. Although I barely did anything except cut. But
No, you contributed. That's enough. Let me open the door. Yeah, we are here. Wow. So what's it called again? It's from Egypt. So amazing. Wow. And then our chicken curry, which is over here.
Yeah, it's really spicy.
Oh my god, I'm dying.
I actually like it.
Are you sure it's spicy?
Oh
You
my
think my
god.
chicken curry was
dropped
spicy?
all of
I didn't notice it was spicy.
My throat is burning, but it's bearable.
I can't take this.
It's a good bear.
I love spicy food.
Good job.
I mean, I love chicken, but this. Oh my gosh, I can't.
Lots and lots of food. I really love these Hungarian pancakes. It's so good. These are Vegemite scrolls that really made. Okay. It's good.
Really? Or are you saying that for the camera?
I need time to like.
I'll savor it.
Oh, this is sweet. There.
I can taste the cheese.
That's good.
I can't taste the Vegemite.
That's a good thing.
Like overpowering. That's the thing.
That's how you get people to eat Vegemite.
You make them don't taste the Vegemite.
You hide it with cheese. Yay! Vegemite convert.
I'm on my second round, guys. Looks good. Expanded her plate. Upgrade. So cool, like they have all kinds of vintage packaging. I'll show you. No, I love the covers. The vinyl cover. Got our lunch. Let's see what's inside. Some posh water. Hello, water. Hello.
6 meat. There's
And
3
then
is
chips.
ham and 3 is salami, I think. So, just check it.
And oh, so it's like a sandwich thing. Is there anything else? I'm going into Primark now, where I can get like cheap stuff and cheap clothes. I really need clothes. Very excited. Let's see what kind of deals can I get. Look at these skirts. How cute. And it's only like £10. Oh my gosh, guys! I need a beauty blender. Gonna hunt for one now. In the makeup section. It's only £15. Can you believe it? This Onsi over here.